Hi everyone, it's Jim from WildGravityTravels.com coming to you here from Fun Spot in Kissimmee for another wooden roller coaster construction update. And we've got some great exciting news to share with you in this update. As we walk on down the pathway here, we're going to see that the coaster is now vertical. We have our first set of vertical support structure going up right over here. We're going to take a look through the fence and check out what's going on. We're going to have a lot more pictures in the post that will be linked with this video on YouTube if you are watching on YouTube. So there'll be lots of great detailed pictures coming up soon. So as we take a look over from this angle and zoom right there through the fence, we can see that first couple vertical set of vents going up right here. Workers just completing that probably not too long ago today. So great excitement here at Fun Spot Kissimmee today. Taking another look at the first vertical construction from this angle, we can actually see some workers getting ready to put another support in right now as we speak. So lots of excitement going on right here as the coaster goes vertical for the first time. Now also all around we see these plates. These are actually what they're putting the metal supports in, and then the cross beams of the wood going in place as well at the same time. These have been installed for pretty much the whole coaster now, even down towards that area where we showed you the demolition of the Scream and Swing last time. So the whole area is pretty much done with the little plate brackets, which means we'll see a lot of vertical construction in the coming weeks. And be sure to stay tuned with us here at WildGravityTravels.com and subscribe to our YouTube page so you can see whenever we post a new video. We'll probably be posting quite a few within the next few weeks as vertical construction rages on here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. So now here down at one end of the coaster, we take a look, or the coaster construction site, we take a look, looking down, we can see all of those plates we've been telling you about last week. These are all be for vertical supports, so obviously still a long way to go, but really exciting here today as we see another couple set of metal posts going up right here in this shot. Since our last update, very exciting to see all of the great efforts taking place here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. So they will probably continue to work here a little more today, and from this point forward we will have a lot of vertical work going on, a lot of metal supports going up again on all of these brackets all around the site. We're going to go around to the other side and take a look from there up close. So here now we're getting a close look at the vertical construction for the wooden coaster here at Fun Spot. Workers are putting up the third parallel set of vertical construction right here, measuring out. We got some cross beams going in place. Really exciting to be up close to something this neat, like a wooden coaster being built. And it's great to see all of the work going on. So take a look at some of the detail here. We can see crossbar support right here, and then those vertical steel beams actually support wood structure. This is why it is considered a hybrid wood coaster. It will have wood track with metal base plates like any normal wooden coaster. It is just semi-supported by steel. If you've been on a number of wooden coasters in the country, a lot of them are actually a hybrid structure like this all around. So this appears to be some sort of turn, or could be some sort of turn coming out of this support area. And you can see the brackets sort of aimed in that direction from where we were just standing over there. So as we wrap up our update from Fun Spot Kissimmee, as we always do from the supply lot just across the pathway from the project site, we do have the appearance of something new from last time with the addition of those vertical beams all laid out here on some pallet racks, supply racks coming in. These are all vertical beams stacked upon each other, those little V shapes or L shapes if you will, to be put in vertically like we've just seen over across the street. So lots more parts to go in. Like we said, we'll be covering this pretty non-stop from here forward until we achieve almost near completed construction status. And as we pull back out, we will see the wood has been even more uncovered since our last post. Obviously measuring out and getting out pieces for today's exciting vertical milestone here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. As we take a little walk down further here, we will see all those stacks of wood still in place for the most part. Not really touched yet here, and a lot more still arriving back behind these piles now. So a lot more wood, a lot more steel to be put up across the street here at Fun Spot Kissimmee. I want to thank everyone for joining along. My name is Jim from WildGravityTravels.com. Once again, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube page. We will have video pretty much every week from Fun Spot as vertical construction continues and we continue to see track work here. Also, be sure to bookmark our page, follow us on Twitter if you want some instant pictures as we see them near daily coming out with new shots and new things to include in our construction update. So once again, my name's Jim. Thanks for joining along, and we'll see you at the park. See you at Fun Spot. And have a great week ahead, folks.